Welcome to my channel ICT by Ruchi. Today we will start Olympiad preparation for computer subject. So let's start. So today we will start with the chapter first, that is Introduction to Computers. What is a computer? A computer is a man-made machine. It is a programmable. It is electronic device that run on electricity. It accept the data, do some calculations, do some processing, follow some operations on that, and give us the information in the form of output, and stores the data and result in their memory when required. So it's very easy. It's like for the class 1, we just need to remember that computer is an man-made electronic machine. It take the data, process it, and give the results in the form of information. We also need to know what type of work computer can do. It can do drawings, we can play games, we can listen to music, we can book the tickets, and where it can be used, like in schools, in banks, in offices. So these are the basic questions asked from chapter 1 of NCO, okay, National Cyber Olympiad. So let's watch the sample questions of chapter 1. Which of the following is not a man-made? Option A, it's a cattle. Option B, computer. Option C, oven. Option D, tree. Think. Answer is D. Tree is a natural thing, means it is not a man-made. And computer, oven, cattle, they all are man-made. Question number 2. Which of the following tasks a computer can do for you? A. Drink water. B. Eat food. C. Play video. D. All of these. Think the answer. Answer is C. It can play the video for us. It cannot drink water. It cannot eat food. Okay. Next question. Identify the following. It is an electronic machine that never gets tired. You can play games on it. Option A, camera. Option B, computer. Option C, washing machine. Option D, refrigerator. So think what can be the answer out of A, B, C, D, which is an electronic machine and never get tired, and we can play games on it. It's very easy. Answer is B. Computer is an electronic machine which never gets tired and we can play games on it. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about computers? Which is false about computers? Option A. It make our work easier and faster. Option B. It provides accurate results. Option C. It gets tired after doing some work. Option D. Both A and B. So we need to find out the false statement about computer. Think. Answer is C. Computer is never tired, because computer can make our work easier. Computer gives accurate result, but computer is never tired after doing some work. Next question. Arrange the following machines in a largest to smallest order regarding the amount of space they take on a table. It's very easy. You can watch from the picture itself, like which picture is taking which amount of a space. Okay. First is computer, second is laptop, third is tablet, or we can say it mobile phone. So we have a option A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 3, 2. Think. It's very easy. You can watch from the picture itself. Options. Answer is C. 3, 2, 1. That is mobile, laptop, and computer, or we can say desktop. Next question. Which of the following type of computer can be used to play videos? It's A, laptop, B, desktop, C, tablet, या D, all of these. Think. Answer is D, all of these. As These all are type of a computer based on their size. So we can play the videos in any type of computer, whether it is laptop, desktop or tablet. Next question. With the help of given type of machine, you can, given type of a machine is a desktop, a type of a computer. So what you can do? Option A, watch movie. Option B, eat food. Option C, clean house. Or option D, plant trees. Think what can be the answer? Answer is A, watch movie. So basically the same concept is asked by different ways in Olympiad. Next question, which of the following is not a type of a computer? Option A, laptop. Option B, tablet. Option C, smartphone. Yeah, option D, tab top. Think what can be the answer? Answer is D, tablet top. As we have not seen tab-top picture in any of the question, and tab-top does not exist. Laptop, tablet, smartphone exist. Next question, select the correct match. So we have 4 pictures and we have 4 options. We have to find out in which pair picture and the name are same. Laptop, mobile phone, tablet computer or desktop computer. So is the A part is a picture of a laptop, or a B part is a picture of mobile phone, or a C part is a picture of a tablet, or a D part is a picture of desktop? You have to think which picture is correct as the name written in right of side. Think. Answer is C. As we can see, tablet computer has a picture of tablet computer in front of it. Is option C. Next question. Which of the following is a man-made and electronic machine? So very easy concept. Man-made things. What are the man-made things? Like we have like TV, fridge, fan, AC, computer, microwave, and electronic machine which runs on electricity. Means man has made some things which works on electricity and some things which does not work on electricity. Like man has made toys. Some toys work without electricity and some toys work on electricity. Man has made a sofa, but sofa does not work on electricity. Okay, so we have to find out the things which are man-made and electronic. Option A, oven. Option T, smartphone. Option 3, fan. Think. Answer is D, 1, 2, 3. All the things are man-made, oven, phone and fan, and all requires electricity. Next question. What is a device? So as I explained in the beginning of this video, a device is anything which make our work easy, which is made by us, okay, which is designed for a particular purpose, okay. So let's go to the options. Option A, it is a machine designed for a particular purpose. Option B, it is a natural thing made by nature. Option C, it is an artificial thing made by nature. Option D, all of these. So what can be the answer? Think. Answer is A. Device is a machine designed for a particular thing. Means natural thing cannot be a device, because natural thing is made by nature, but device is made by human being. An artificial thing, no, it is not artificial thing made by nature. A device is a machine designed for a particular purpose. Next question. Select the correct statement about the given jumble word. So we have to firstly make a word from these letters, that is C, M, O, U, P, E, T, R. When you watch this jumbled letter, you will carefully watch this and you will observe there is a word behind it, and then read the options. Option A, it is a man-made machine. Option B, it is electronic machine, not an electronic machine. Option C, you cannot play music on it. Or option D, you cannot solve sums on it. Think. Firstly, make a word from these jumbled letters and then choose which option A, B, C, D fits in. Think. Answer is A. The jumbled letter makes a word computer, which is an electronic machine. So option A is correct, is a man-made machine. Man-made electronic machine, a computer. Next question. Which of the following machine help you in homework like solving sums? A. Desktop, B. Laptop, C. Oven, or D. Both A and B? Think. Answer is D. Both A and B. Because A, desktop and laptop both are type of a computers. We can solve our basic math sum like addition, subtraction on it. Next question. Identify the pictures given below, left to right. Which of the following words would it form by using the first letter of this picture? So we have to identify whose picture is this. Like first one is a tree. So tree starts with T. So we have a beginning sound of T. T, tiger. So it becomes T. Like if we choose the first letter is T, now we have the options A. Laptop, B. Tablet, C. Padlet, D. Battlet. So before solving all the pictures, first letter, we can solve only first letter and find out in an option which option is starting from T. Okay, I have given you the hint. Now start practicing and tell me the answer. So the answer is B. Tablet. And the correct sequence it is making is tree, apple, ball, lamp, elephant, tap. But we need not to solve apple, ball, lamp, elephant, tap because the first letter of the word is T. And in the option we have only one option which is starting with T, that is T, tablet. This is a hint, this is a tip to save time in Olympiad quiz, because we know that Olympiad quiz has less time and questions are more, to increase our speed. Next question. How many machine names are hidden in the given word grid? Okay, this is a crossword puzzle. This is a puzzle. You need to firstly find out the machine names and then count. And the options are A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay, so start practicing and tell me the answer. Answer is C. As you can see, I have also put a line on the machine names. First is car, second is computer, third is laptop. Okay, by practicing this type of a word grid, you will be able to solve it very soon. You have to make your vocabulary on computers. Okay, C3 answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about the given device? A laptop picture is there. It is a type of a computer. It can be carried from one place to another. It is called laptop, or all of these. Think. Answer is D. All of these. As a laptop is a type of a computer which can be carried from one place to another. Okay. Next question. Identify the picture marked as X and Y and select the correct statement. So firstly we have to find like what is X and what is Y. As you can see, X is an aeroplane and Y is a desktop. Now we have to choose which option out of A, B, C, D fits in. X is a man-made and run on fuel. Y is an electronic machine. B. X is made by nature. Y, it is not a man-made machine. C. X is not a man-made machine. Y, it is an electronic machine. D. X, it is an electronic machine. Y, it is made by nature. See, like in all the four options, there are two sub options, X and Y. If any of the option is incorrect, we need not to read another option. Like in a B part, you can see X told it is made by nature. As we know that X is an aeroplane, it is not made by nature, it is a man-made. So we need not to read the Y part. We just read that X is a wrong, so B is wrong. C. It is not a man-made machine. It is not a X. C. X part is also wrong. Aeroplane is a man-made, so we need not to read the Y part. Similarly, D. X, it is an electronic machine. Y, it is made by nature. Now in this option we see that X is right, so we read the Y. So Y, it is made by nature. Y is a computer. Is it made by nature or man-made? Think out of D and A which is correct. Answer is A. Y is not a made by nature. D portion, Y, computer is not made by nature. Computer is a man-made electronic machine. A option, X and Y both are correct. Aeroplane is a man-made machine run on fuel, and desktop is an electronic machine. Next question. Anu wants to do the following task: watch movie, play songs, play game. Which of the following device can she use? Desktop, laptop, tablet, or all of these? It's very easy. Just think and give me the answer. Answer is D, all of these. Next question, match the following: A, B, C, and there is an option of 1, 2, 3 in front of them. A picture is a laptop, B is desktop, C is a smartphone. And in the column 2, first option, it can be carried in a pocket easily. 2, it can easily fit on your lap. C, this machine needs a table where you can place it. A, B, C, D, we have to match. Like A is a laptop. Laptop 1, it can be carried. How can we do the matching? Like we know A picture is a laptop. Now option 1, it carried in a pocket easily. Can we carry laptop in a pocket? No. We can carry only phone. So C will match with the 1. Laptop, it easily fit in a lap. That's why it is called laptop. Desktop is called desktop because it fit in a desk. Desk, desktop, lap, laptop, palm, palm top. So very easy. C will 1, A will 2, and B will the last third option. Machine needs a table where you can place it. So I've given you the hint and almost the answer. Just tell me the answer. Answer is A, A2, B3, C1. Next question. Computer is known as a smart machine because A, it does not make mistake on its own. B, it never gets tired. C, it works very fine, fast. D, all of this. Think it's easy. Answer is D, all of this, because computer never make mistakes on its own, it's never tired, and it works very fast. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and I have made all the chapter videos, all the last year questions from grade 1 to grade 10. You can watch the links on the computer topics in the description itself. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.